Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. And my little accessory here is Gabe. Today we are going to be making a roasted cherry tomato sandwich. This is so good. I make it like a whole big sandwich, but you can go ahead and make it smaller, bite size, and be like the perfect appetizer. So I'm so excited to share it with you. You want to say hi? Say hi. You have to speak. Okay. Okay. Say, everybody, make the sandwich. It's delicious. Okay? Bye bye. Bye bye. So to start out, I'm going to go ahead and dice up my garlic. I have 4 large cloves here. I'm going to dice it up quite finely. That way I'm not chomping into a big piece of garlic. And I'm going to set that aside. I'm also going to cut up some fresh basil. If you don't have fresh, that's fine. Just substitute it for dried. That will work just as well. Into our dish, I'm going to go ahead and add in our cherry tomatoes. I did wash these and I dried them thoroughly so they're not wet. I add in the garlic that we just cut up, and then we are going to season this with some olive oil. That will just make sure that the seasonings that we add in, they're going to stick to your tomatoes, and then they'll really just be so full of flavor. As far as seasoning goes, we're going to go ahead and do salt. I do a very generous pinch of salt. We're also going to do some black pepper. Of course, we have to do oregano. And if you know me, you know that I do marjoram on everything. So that is definitely going on there. And then we're going to finish it off with some red pepper flakes. You do how much you want. If you like it spicy, add more. I don't. I do about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to mix this all up nicely, and then we're going to finish it off with our fresh basil. Mix that in there, and then you're going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Right before you take it out, just make sure you toast your bread. I'm doing mine on a pan. I just added in some butter, and then you do whatever bread of your choice. This is what I had in the freezer, so that is what I was working with. To assemble the sandwich, you're just going to go ahead and add in a generous amount of ricotta cheese. I love ricotta, so I'm doing quite a bit. And then you're going to top it with your delicious roasted tomatoes. And don't forget to add in some of that juice because it really is absolutely delicious. It's so flavorful that you're definitely going to want to add that onto there. And then we're going to just finish it off with some Parmesan cheese. And then you're just going to plate them and you're going to enjoy.